What is up, you guys? It's Andrea and welcome back to another Peachy Babies video. So on my Instagram I gave you guys an option of 2 different videos that we can make, and a lot of you guys wanted to see a preview of next week's restock. So this isn't everything that we're restocking, so if you guys want to see some of the newer slimes or things that I create after this video has been posted for this Saturday's restock, then come back on Saturday because I'm going to have another video for you guys. Keep your eyes open, turn your notifications on, because there's going to be a lot of videos this week. And as always, I'm going to be hanging out in the comments for the first hour of this video and my main channel video when it goes live, so I hope that you guys are there. If you're in the comments right now, comment your favorite fruit emoji so that I know who I can say hi to first. So starting out, we have, of course, Planet X, and then we have Rainbow Chip Frosting. Rainbow Chip Frosting was new to the shop last week. I think I showed you guys on Instagram a little video of it. If any of you guys have ever heard of I think they're like considered a snack, but they're called Dunkaroos. And if you don't know what those are, you're gonna be like, what the heck is a Dunkaroo? Is that a food? Is that an animal? Dunkaroos are basically these little cookies, and then they have a little frosting cup that's called Rainbow Chip Frosting, and it is probably the most amazing thing you will ever taste ever. That is what this slime is inspired by. So it is a really sweet vanilla frosting scented base, and then it has all those cute little rainbow sprinkles in it to make it look like frosting. And you guys see that top right corner. If you see that, you better like this video. That lets me know that you like videos like this, so that I can make more videos like this, and I would love to see you guys liking the video, you know what I mean? This one is a very soft cloud cream texture, and it is a little bit fluffier than the normal cloud cream. We're trying out a new frosting recipe with this one, so if you guys get it, definitely let me know what you think. I'm never quite sure how long I should stay silent on these videos, because I feel like it feels really awkward for me to just sit here and not say anything for a long period of time. You know what I mean? What do you guys think? Do you like when I don't talk, or do you want me to keep talking throughout the whole video? Because believe me, I could do both. And then one last swirl, because this one, you guys, it actually swirls so well. I was so impressed with how they swirl, because you know some slimes, they just don't get that perfect like crisp swirl. This one does that, and it's kind of amazing. And next we have another new one to the shop. Okay, so if you haven't seen the Patrick's Pet Rock video I posted on Instagram, you guys need to go down below and check it out right now, because these actually glow in the dark, and I totally forgot to include it in this video, but oh my goodness, it's the coolest thing ever. But these are inspired by that one episode of SpongeBob, and I'm sure most of you guys watch SpongeBob. Show of hands in the comments if you watch SpongeBob, but the one episode where Patrick has a pet rock. I believe his name is Rocky, and the fun thing about these is each rock has a different name on the bottom, so when you buy Patrick's Pet Rock, you're adopting your very own pet rock. Next we have this is lemon pound cake. So this is inspired by the Starbucks lemon pound cake, so I decided to make a slime inspired by it. It smells exactly like it, so it's like a fresh bakery lemon smell, and then it is lightly colored like a really light pastel lemon with a bunch of yellow beads on the top for crunch. If you're looking for really thick, clicky bases, this is definitely one of the ones that you should go for, because this is one of my classic OG thick base recipes, and it is definitely one of my favorites. I always keep bringing it back in different kinds. Next we have a new one. So this is a set. So the slime itself is called Wildflower Honey Stick, and yes, I know eating honey is not great for bees. I'm not saying eat honey, I just thought it was a really cute name in case anybody says anything about that, because I feel like there's going to be that one person in the comments yelling at me for the name. I just thought it was cute. But the slime itself is called Wildflower Honey Stick. So it is a semi-opaque clear based slime that is scented like, it's like a fresh honey, mixed with a really light florally scent. It actually comes with a packet of mixed wildflowers that bees actually really love. And you guys know, I'm going to link it down below. There's actually a whole article talking about why we should be working really hard to save the bees and make sure that they are safe and happy. If you get this set, definitely plant those seeds. Let me see how they've grown. If you attract any bee friends, take pictures and send them to me under my hashtag. I would love to check them out, and I would definitely love to feature so many of you guys who do that. Moving on to our next bee related product, we have Scrubby. So if you guys are frequent visitors of Lush, which I know that I totally am, I love Lush so much, they have this little Scrubby, I think it's like an oil bar, and I love this thing so much that I decided to dedicate a slime to it. So this is the Scrubby Cloud Cream. This one is scented like Lush's Honey I Wash the Kids soap, a really sweet honey vanilla scent. And next we have the Starbucks pink drink, or like everybody in the comments of my last Instagram post of this slime like to point out, the Pinkity Drinkity slime. So we're gonna go with both names. I will accept either one. This one is a classic slime. I did make a few changes though, so there are a lot more fishbowl beads that are kind of to represent the ice, and then instead of small red beads for the little strawberry bits, we added large red beads, and I just really love the way it looks now. As far as the scent goes, this one has a coconut milk base, the original drink does, so we of course had to add a coconut cream scent to it, as well as a berry tea. So it is really light and really refreshing, but so nice, especially for spring. This one is also one of our thick based slimes, so if you guys are into thick clicky slimes, this is definitely one to go for, but if you like texture as well, it's a great mix of both. Moving on, we have another new slime. So first of all, here are the two separate bases. I'm going to show you what they look like mixed together in a second. But this is the peanut butter side of the Reese's Puffs Fluff. And then this is the chocolate side. So the chocolate is a little bit thicker, a little bit more dense, and the peanut butter is a lot lighter and fluffier. And then when you mix them together, you get the perfect cloud cream texture that smells like peanut butter and chocolate. So I'm not even gonna lie, it literally took me so long to get this peanut butter color, like the correct peanut butter color. If you guys have never tried to make anything peanut butter color, it is one of the tougher things to do, but I think it turned out really well. And then when you mix it together, it makes like a really pretty kind of peanut butter chocolate color. And this is definitely one of my favorite cloud creams if you like peanut butter chocolate scents, because it is so realistic. Then we have Captain Crunch. This is an OG fave, and you guys, I keep making this one because I love it. It's one of those things where it's like, don't mess with a great thing, and this is definitely one of my favorite slimes that I have in the shop. It's really classic, it's really simple, but you know you can't go wrong with a Captain Crunch slime. So this one again is that classic thick base that we have, scented like Captain Crunch, so it's like a really sweet sugary cereal, kind of like you put your face in a box of Captain Crunch. I mean, I don't know a lot of people who stick their faces in bowls of cereal, but if that is you, it's completely cool. We're not judging here, but it smells like that. And then it is full of those big colorful beads, which first of all are super aesthetic and look amazing in photographs, but also add a lot of texture. And finally, we're going to end the video with another slime. This one is a different texture I've been experimenting with in the shop. So first of all, going off of scent, it's a really light, sweet, refreshing mango candy scent, which, you know, if you love mangoes, this is one that you guys need to try out. But it also has a mix between a cloud cream and a jelly texture, which is definitely new. So if you get this one, definitely let me know how you like it. But other than that, that is it for this video. I really hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.